Since 1988, while the rest of the world was discovering the internet, we were already using it to revolutionise automation systems in Australia. We're Cromarty Automation. You might not know our name, but you've definitely experienced our work. From our beginnings in Tasmania, we've grown to a national network of problem solvers, innovators, and, let's be honest, automation enthusiasts who get unreasonably excited about making things work better. Whether it's industrial automation, renewables, or cybersecurity, we design, build, and implement solutions that actually work in the real world. PLCs, SCADA systems, robotics. If it automates, we're all over it. Here's the thing about Cromarty Automation. When others say, too complicated, or not possible, we say, give us a minute. We don't walk away from problems, we run towards them. It's a bit weird, we know, but we genuinely love solving the tough stuff. Everything we do is built on our commitment to safety and environment, our people, trust, relationships, innovation, and sustainable growth. We're Cromarty Automation, enhancing our clients' operations and our community through our people. Together, we automate, integrate, and elevate what's possible in Australian industry.